EGCG in green tea linked to better memory. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. A 2012 study in the journal Molecular Nutrition and Food Research showed that a particular constituent in green tea may help to improve memory and preserve memory as we age. That constituent in green tea is called the EGCG, and the real name is the epigallocatechin 3 gallate. But EGCG, we've known for a long time, is a powerful antioxidant, and it has been linked in that role to prevention of heart disease and prevention of cancer. It's taken as a supplement, EGCG. We've seen solid evidence that it can actually get the body to burn more fat when you're at rest and help a person who's overweight lose body fat as they burn calories and give it off to the environment as heat. That's known as thermogenesis, turning on the brown fat in the body without it really being a stimulant or upsetting the central nervous system. So that's pretty solid research. But in studies recently, we've seen in test tube studies and in a significant animal study now, that EGCG may be able to improve cognitive function and memory. So what's the mechanism? Well, we're seeing that EGCG may be able to stimulate new nerve cell growth in the part of the brain where Alzheimer's tends to develop. So that part of the brain is known as the hippocampus. And in Alzheimer's disease, the hippocampus tends to shrink down or shrivel up or atrophy. And it's the part of the brain where we process information from short-term to long-term memory. So when it shrivels up or atrophies, your short-term and long-term memory start to disappear, especially your short-term memory. So in 2012, this study showed preservation of the hippocampus when EGCG supplementation was applied. How did it do it? It actually stimulated new nerve cell growth in the hippocampus, preventing that shrinkage and loss of function. So animal studies then went on to show that when they gave it, not only did it preserve the hippocampus and produce more nerve cells there, but they also demonstrated improved memory and spatial learning when a maze test was applied. So it sort of gave us proof that there was memory improvement in these animals, in the ones given EGCG compared to the ones that were given the placebo. And there have been previous reports in human studies suggesting that green tea may help to improve memory, but no one really knew how it worked. So in 2012, we're getting the first bit of insight as to how it might be working. So I would recommend that you have 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day, just for general health purposes. It may also help your memory in the long run. I personally take an additional supplement that has EGCG, chromium, and hydroxycitric acid in one combination to help maintain my lean mass, burn body fat, get the cardiovascular benefits, anti-cancer benefits, keep my glucose down into the ideal range, and also now possibly to help preserve memory by keeping the hippocampus part of the brain in check. So, but in regards to preventing Alzheimer's disease, if I can just make this comment, I did write a book on this subject, and you can now download this ebook for free. It really explains all the dietary and supplementation and lifestyle factors that help to prevent this disease according to human clinical studies. So everyone, as they get older, should really download this ebook and look at the details. So just click on the link below this video. You can download that ebook for free. And also, I wrote a review paper on this EGCG and memory studies in animals that you might find interesting. And so you can also click and download that article as well to get the rest of the details and see the scientific reference as well. Now, at MachinoHealth.com, you'll see my other research review papers. You'll see footage from my live professional seminars, other downloads, resources, and videos I've created. They're all there to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. All my research papers and teaching materials are complete with all the scientific references, so you'll see you're only going to get evidence-based information from me on any health topic that you're looking for. So you should use MachinoHealth.com as an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.